for today's video, I'm in my aunt's house, which is why it's a change of scenery. And also, I'm babysitting my baby cousin, so she's taking a nap right now. And so I have the baby monitor going like right next to the computer, so you're probably gonna hear the noises in the background. Anyway, so for today's video, I'm gonna be doing another Disney college program video. I have a little bullet journal that I kind of put everything in. So I have a packing list, I have bucket lists, I'm gonna be doing like my meal plans in it. So that's what I'll be doing for today's video. So let's get in. I haven't like completed like decorating it or anything. I've just been kind of like writing my lists. So I have like a little bit of a portion of a bullet journal I already did, and then this is just kind of like the next section. I have DCP Fall 2019 is what I wrote in this side. For this, I'm going to get like print out on a piece of paper the cast member and then put my name in it and glue or tape that into here and make it all pretty. I can show you guys if you want an updated version of my bullet journal like after the Disney college program, like once it's completed. To start, we'll go over my packing list. That's kind of what it looks like. I said I haven't decorated it, it's just different colors. I'm gonna go over what I'm gonna pack. I know a lot of people make like packing list videos, so I'm kind of gonna go over that. So for my packing list, I wrote down clothes and bathing suit, my shoes, straightener, hangers, pajamas, laundry basket, paperwork for check-in, bedding, laptop charger, towels and hand towels, Apple Watch and charger, makeup, camera and supplies, jewelry, external storage for laptop, string lights and decorations and pictures, extension cord and power strip, curling iron, Keurig / blender, and I have in parentheses ask roomies because one of them might be bringing it. And like you don't know your roomies until the day you check in, but you can like link up a certain amount of people. We were only allowed to link up with one person, so I'm gonna be asking her if she has either of that, if she's gonna bring it, or if I should, which I probably am gonna bring both my Keurig and my new blender that I just bought. Winter formal dress, umbrella and rain gear, mini ears and headbands, razor, Disney cups, toothbrush, Alexa and Disney DVDs, my planner and my supplies because I'm a huge planner, glasses, sunglasses, DZ, Mickey and Minnie letters, Wi-Fi router, lunchbox, and cutlery set and water bottle. That's all I have on my packing list. It's pretty much, I'm only bringing the bare minimum. Obviously, I'm driving my car down and it's a really tiny car, which I've showed you guys my car before in a vlog. Then it's really tiny, so I can't fit a lot in there. Me and my mom are both driving down, so I'm bringing the bare necessities, and that's pretty much all I need. Anything that I can buy when I get down there, like shampoos and like that kind of thing, I'm going to wait and buy those when I get down there instead of bringing them with me. Kind of took a bunch of different packing lists that I've seen people put up online and kind of mashed it to fit me, and a lot of it's some like super basic things that you would need if you were going on the Disney college program, and some of it is personalized to me and what I own and am bringing with me. So next, I want to talk about my bucket list. I have a pretty long bucket list, and I can read like my basic bucket list, but then I divide it into different like sections and stuff. I will show you guys what I mean by that. So on my bucket list, I have a section for DCP related, and then I have a section under here which is just Disney World in general related. It continues on to this page, and then on this page I have other, which is like outside of Disney, so like non-Disney related bucket list. So I will read that to you, and then I have some other like bucket list, like listy things that I will show you after this, but I probably won't read those out. So on my bucket list, my DCP related section says I take a photo at Disney University after traditions, earn a 4 keys card, make a magical moment for a guest, pick up a shift in a different location, attend the CP winter formal, meet a rare character at housing event, scavenger hunt around the parks, attend grocery, bingo, attend a seminar, maybe. I have maybe around the seminars because you have to sign up for the seminar classes, so I might not get one, but hopefully when signups come out, hopefully soon. I thought we were supposed to get signups like a month ago for that, but we haven't gotten them yet, and I leave for my program in 2 weeks, so I don't know what's going on with that, but hopefully they'll send those out soon and I'll be able to get into a seminar. After that, I have visit Cat's Connections, visit Mickey's Retreat, go out for dinner after a shift, do some volunteering, take a photo in costume after closing with leader's permission, of course, and then graduate from the program. So that's my Disney college program related bucket list. And then after that, just ones that like are Disney related and like around the parks. It says watch Happily Ever After right after Traditions. You don't necessarily have to go into the parks to watch Happily Ever After. I know right after Traditions, I still might not be able to get into the parks because I might not have my blue ID, but you can go to some of like the resorts and stuff and still see Happily Ever After from there. And there's this one resort, I forget which one, but if you go up into it, they have like a balcony section you can watch Happily Ever After from, and they have it like playing in speakers so you can hear it and everything. So I want to do that after Traditions if I can. If I have Traditions the Friday after I move in, which is most likely, I'm going to be going to the Jonas Brothers concert that night, so I might not be able to do that. So I might have to go the following night. But if I have Traditions the Saturday after I move in, then I'd be able to do it that night. Next, I have take a photo on an empty Main Street, get ice cream at Plaza Ice Cream, nap on the hub grass, stay for Kiss Goodnight, which is when the park's closing, they play Kiss Goodnight, FaceTime friends from Main Street, eat dinner at Be Our Guest, chat with friends on People Mover, watch Dapper Dans perform, watch Happily Ever After last night at work, attend Halloween and Christmas party, watch Philharmonic Band in front of the castle, mail a postcard from Main Street, get pixie dusted in Fantasyland, try every soda from Club Cool, see the Candlelight Processional in Epcot, which is like a Christmas, try snack from every country, ride Spaceship Earth in a different language, visit any and every festival that I possibly can. So there's gonna be like the Food and Wine Festival while I'm there, so I wanna go to that one. Obviously I'm not 21, so I can't drink, but the food will be great and worth it. And then if there's any other ones, I don't know if I'm gonna extend my program or if that's just it. Rope drop, Frozen Ever After, do a scavenger hunt and world show, sit in front row for Fantasmic, Toy Story Land. So that's a huge one that I have written down because I haven't been to Disney since I was a freshman in high school, and they didn't have Toy Story Land back then, and they didn't have Pandora either. So I put that down because I really, really want to see Toy Story Land, and I have to try and do it like as soon as I get down there, because right when I get down there a couple weeks later, they're opening Galaxy's Edge, and I won't be able to go after it opens, unfortunately, because they're blocking out Hollywood Studios for employee self-admission. And after that, I have Rope Drop Flight of Passage, which if you don't know what rope drop is, it's like right when it opens, they have a rope that blocks off people, and then right when Disney opens, they drop it, and then you get to go into the parks, and so that's what rope drop means. And then I have watch Rivers of Light, ride Kilimanjaro at night, ride Expedition Everest at night, become a wilderness explorer, visit all 4 parks at rope drop to fireworks. I kind of want to go all the way until Kiss Goodnight, until like it closes. I want to do a whole day of Disney. It says participate on Dapper Day, which if you don't know what Dapper Day is, it's like a special day in Disney, and it's a day where you get to go and you dress up like all old-fashioned and like walk around the parks, like the Dapper Dans. So that's what Dapper Day is. Disney Bound, which I will be doing lots of. I'm so excited. I already have some outfits picked out for Disney bounding. And then I want to visit the water parks. I want to visit all 4 parks in one day. And then I want to get my name embroidered on Traditions and graduation hat, which I could have put like on my DCP section, but I didn't think about it until after I'd already moved on. So a lot of these I had gotten just from like bucket lists I've seen, and also just like things that I personally knew I wanted to do. And then my other category for my bucket list, I have a beach day. I want to go to the beach. We're only 2 hours away from it, so I really want to do that. I want to get picked for the wand ceremony in Harry Potter World again and get it on video this time, because I got picked for the wand ceremony the first time I went to Harry Potter World, and that was last year. And I had already bought a wand, so my parents wouldn't let me buy another wand after it, and I had no one in it with me because my parents didn't want to go through the wand ceremony again just so I could get picked, but I wanted to, so they didn't go in with me. It was just me and my sister, and we both had the birthday pins on, and they picked us, and so I didn't have anyone to record for me or anything. I didn't get it on video, so I want to do that again and try and get picked again and actually get it on video and actually buy my wand this time. So then next I have find a carnival or a festival to go to. I just think that'd be so fun. go to a pumpkin patch. I saw Emily Enchanted found a really cool one. I have CAJR concert, so hopefully, I know they're coming to Orlando in November, so I kind of want to try and get tickets and go see them in concert. I have See Miranda Sings Live in Pensacola, because I know Miranda Sings Live is coming to Pensacola, Florida, and I've always wanted to see her live, and I have never done that, so I kind of want to do that. I have Horror Nights at Universal. I want to go to SeaWorld. I've never been before, so I think that'd be really cool. I have see a Cavs vs. Heat game, so I can go down to Miami for a night and go and see that, and I think that'd be so much fun. And then ride horses with Grace, because she lives in Texas and has horses, but she won't be able to ride them on the program, obviously. And so she said I can come with her when she like finds a barn and goes horse riding. So I think that'd be so much fun. And then after that, I have a bunch of different like bucket list things. I'm not gonna read them all to you guys because that would take forever, but I can show you them and like explain them. So first I have a food bucket list, and it's just like all of the different places that I've never eaten at before in Disney. So like it has Hoop-Dee-Doo and like Be Our Guest. It's not all of them, but it's the majority of them. And then Disney snacks. So these are just some fun snacks that I've seen online that I haven't tried or had in Disney before either, and I think would be so cool that I can try and find them if they're still there. So that's what this is, and it leans over into the other page. And then this is my picture bucket list. So a bunch of the pictures that I've seen other people do that I really want to try and do. So I can use some examples. So this is knocking on castle door, magic band being scanned, riding a carousel, comparing muscles with Gaston. I want to do a Delta Zeta pose right in front of the castle. And so our Delta Zeta pose is this. This is my sorority. So I want to do that. I want to wear my Delta Zeta Disney shirt that I have and do that right in front of the castle. I think that'd be super cute. And then I just have a ton of other ones that I have like written down. So that's this list. And then goes on to the back. And then the next list I have is Disney walls, which is very similar to like the pictures. It's just a bunch of like all the Disney walls that I want to get pictures in front of, because they didn't have those the last time I went to Disney. And so I think it'd be super cool to try and get pictures in front of all of the Disney walls that they have, and to try and see, because I know that they, when they're building things, new things, they have new like special walls to cover up construction. So I want to see if there's any special limited edition walls that I can go and take pictures in front of as well. And then this, I just wrote down every single ride and attraction in the park. I haven't finished this page yet, but I have the Magic Kingdom on this page, Epcot on this page, and I haven't finished the other parks yet. But one of my biggest goals on the program is to ride every single ride while I'm on the program and do like all of the attractions. So I have them all written down. And that's all I have for my Disney bullet journal right now. Like I said, eventually I'm gonna write down like my meal preps and things for the week, and just kind of, I don't know, like figure out other things, start journaling like my days and stuff, and I'll be doing lots of vlogs to keep those memories and everything, and to upload for you guys, friends, family, and whoever else is just interested in watching. But so yeah, that was my DCP bullet journal so far. And like I said, if you guys want an updated video like after I'm all done with it at the end of my program, I can totally do that for you guys. I hope you really liked this video, and I hope you guys want to see more of these videos. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what type of videos you want to see. If you've done the program and have any more suggestions for bucket lists or anything, or packing that I might not have thought of, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from me. I have a bunch of different types of videos. You can go check them out. A lot of them are about just my life and everything that's going on in my life recently. I like to do a lot of life updates and just talk about things and important like things that I've learned in life so far. I don't know, I like doing that, and the updates just for friends and family and whoever may be interested in watching. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I make videos. I try and make videos every Monday and Friday. I've been off YouTube for I think past 2 weeks or something, because I've had a lot of stuff going on in my life and I just haven't been able to do it. But I want to hopefully get back into the swing of things and make lots of videos for you guys. And I have 2 Instagrams you guys can go and follow. I do have my Disney Instagram that I'll be broadcasting my Disney college program adventure, and that's Hannah Ever After, and you can go check out both my Instagrams in the description below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!